I am going to make a label. I already know that it's located in if a not, but I just wanted to make it faster for me. So I just go in here and I'm still going to label it with name 2. So you can see if a not here. So you can see if a not. So I don't want to still look for it. This is the if a not here. So I've seen this is the local government that is located. Now I can select it by clicking on it, and I will select if a not, or I can select it, which I'm going to clear selection. I'm not teaching QGIS now, but I'm just trying to tell you what I want to do to make it fast for me. So I can select it by value, and remember in name 2 I have if a not. So I can come here and type if a not. Then when I type if a not, when I click on select, so it's going to select if a not for me. So this is the only interest I have here. So why am I doing that? You will know soon. Now I've selected if a not here. I need it here. So I will right click on the layer and I will say export selected feature. So I'll click on export selected feature. Then I want to save it on the location. So I'm going to save it on the location on your file where I created as land cover land views. Then I'm going to copy the directory and paste it there. This is where I want. So I'm going to type it if a not. Now I will click save. Then I will change this to KML file because what I need it is in KML file. You can see here. So I've changed the format to keyhole manual language, which is KML. Now this is what I want. If you go here, you see that here I don't have anything yet. So I am going to click on OK. And once I click on OK, and that is going to be done. So you can see now that if I turn off this, you can see me having if a not here. So go back here, you will see that in here I have the if a not. Now I just needed a KML file of where I'm working on. Now I'll go to my browser, and in my browser I'm going to type USGS like I told you, or